Hey guys, it's your girl Tash. To all my subscribers, big up on yourself. You don't know up. If you're not yet a subscriber, please don't forget to hit that subscribe button at the end of this video. Sitting in my chair right now is my client, Kelechi. Big up yourself, Kelechi. One love. So in this video, I'll be showing you guys how to cornrow the hair going all the way back with the correct composition and balance. I know a lot of you have problems when it comes to making your cornrows going straight back with the correct composition and balance. One of my most frequently asked questions is how do I get all my cornrows to fit at the back of the head? So I made a video in real time prior to this video so that you guys can see me working in real time, which will help you to better understand the gripping and the parting technique that I use to make all my braids fit better at the back of the head. So my first technique is to part the hair from the center of the head into two equal sections. And I want to make those sections as equal as possible so that I can then divide each section equally into the amount of braids that I want to achieve. So this client's hair is up to 70% shrinkage, which means that I could blow dry it this minute and in the next minute it shrinks right back down. So with 4C hair texture such as this, you have to be very mindful as to how much heat and product you're using to detangle the hair, because heat will cause more damage than benefits. Guys, please note that 4C texture here represents the tightness of the curls and it's one of the hardest hair texture to maintain depending on the levels of shrinkage. So each 4C texture here has a different level of shrinkage. It's important to understand your hair texture so that you know what products to use and also how to manage your hair daily. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel for more tips on the different types of hair and how to maintain them. For those of you who don't know who I am a short hair braider located in London, United Kingdom, and you can find my contact details in the description box below. On this channel, you'll find videos of different clients with different hair textures, and I'll be posting updates on some of my clients and their hair growth journeys. So please subscribe and turn the notifications on so you don't miss out on a thing. So guys, at the end of this video, please comment your thoughts. Even if you don't have anything good to say, I still would like you to drop a comment, whether positive or negative, because there's no such thing as a bad publicity, because some of you are like me who likes to read the comments before I watch anything. So please comment and let me know your thoughts, or just let the people know your thoughts. Also, please don't forget to follow me on Instagram, Facebook and TikTok to keep up with my hairstyles and things. Up.